Hello and welcome back to our channel Trading for Beginners. Today in this video I'm going to show you how to close all your trade in Interactive Broker account. To do so, follow some simple steps with me. First of all, open your Interactive Broker application or go to Interactive Broker account from your browser. Once you have logged into your account, this type of interface will appear in your screen. From the top menu bar you can see Trade option. Click on Trade. There you can see Close Position option. Click to Close Position. From here you can close all your position. This is how you can close position in Interactive Broker. This much for today's video. If you guys find our video helpful, please leave a like and comment. And do not forget to subscribe our channel and hit the bell icon. I'll see you guys again in our next video. Thank you for watching.